Tired of overpriced coffee runs? These 5 espresso machines under $300 will turn your kitchen into a cafe and save you thousands over time. Hey coffee lovers! In today's video, I'm showing you the top 5 best espresso machines under $300 in 2025. Let's jump right in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. 20-bar espresso machine. Kicking things off is a full-featured espresso machine that includes a 20-bar pressure system, built-in grinder, and a powerful steam wand. Perfect for serious espresso drinkers who want full control at home. Pros: built-in grinder equals fresh coffee every time. 20-bar pressure for rich crema. Milk frother included for cappuccinos and lattes. Large, removable water tank. Easy to clean. Best for home baristas who want an all-in-one machine with a professional feel. Number 2. Calphalon TempIQ Espresso Machine. The Calphalon TempIQ is a fan favorite thanks to its precise temperature control, pre-infusion technology, and reliable steam wand. It's sleek, simple, and ideal for small kitchens. Pros: thermal block heating plus PID temperature control. Pre-infusion for even extraction. Stainless steel steam wand for creamy foam. Compact, premium design. Best for beginners or espresso lovers looking for easy operation and solid performance. Number 3. Detica Maestro. Next, the Detica Maestro. It combines a 15-bar Italian pump, adjustable milk frother, and compact form factor into one elegant machine. It's stylish, precise, and gets consistent praise for build quality. Pros: authentic Italian espresso with 15-bar pressure. Compact size, perfect for small counters. Built-in milk frother. Sleek stainless steel housing. Best for those who want a compact, reliable espresso machine with European flair. Number 4. All-in-One. This one's for multitaskers. The All-in-One does it all: espresso, drip coffee, milk frothing, and even includes a grinder and dual heating system so you can brew and steam at the same time. Pros: espresso plus drip coffee in one device. Grinder, milk frother, and timer included. Dual heating equals no wait time between brewing and frothing. Great for households with multiple coffee preferences. Best for families or couples who want versatility in one machine. Number 5. LCD Espresso Machine. Last on the list is a tech-friendly espresso maker with an LCD display, 20-bar pump, and an old-school pressure gauge, great for anyone who likes a little feedback while brewing. Pros: digital LCD with intuitive controls. Classic analog pressure gauge. 1.8 L water tank equals fewer refills. Powerful frother for silky milk. Best for modern espresso lovers who want style, performance, and digital control. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So whether you're an espresso enthusiast or just want to ditch expensive coffee shop runs, these are the best espresso machines under $300 to turn your kitchen into a home cafe. Smash that like button if you're ready to brew at home, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment. What's your go-to espresso drink?